Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will make a tutorial. How to create a USB flash drive installer for Windows 10, 8, or 7. Normally, to install Windows we can install Windows directly from the hard drive. Install Windows from a disk or install Windows from a USB flash drive or faster than Ghost Windows. To install Windows from a USB, you need to create a bootable USB. But normally, we just create a bootable USB into a Windows instance. Step 1. Download free WinSetupFromUSB software to your computer and install. After installing WinSetupFromUSB, start the program. After WinSetupFromUSB runs, select USB flash drive under the USB disk selection and Format Tools section and select the option Auto Format it with FBinst as shown below. Also, you should choose FAT32 as the file system instead of NTFS so that the USB is compatible with BIOS and UEFI. Next, check the option under Windows Vista, 7/8, Server 2008-2012 based ISO. Click the Browse button, and browse to the location where you stored the ISO file to install Windows 7. Then select the ISO file and click Select the Open button. Now you just have to wait for the process to complete, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. The drive will be formatted and files copied to the flash drive. When the process is finished, at this point, the Job Done message will appear on the screen to announce that the job has been completed. If you want to add the USB boot file with Hirane's boot CD to the USB, do not close WinSetupFromUSB yet and perform the steps below. So you have created a USB that contains the Windows 7, 8 and 10 installation successfully. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to ask, please leave a comment.